something like resignation to the end, always the end. So where we found that we could not make sense, where you said that we could still be friends. When I looked that I was wrong, it was over. But you didn't have to cut me off, make it like you never happened, that we were nothing. I don't even need your love, cause you treat me like a stranger and it feels so rough. No, you didn't have to stoop so low, have your friends collect your records and then change your number. Instead I don't need that though, now you're just somebody that I used to know. Now you're just somebody that I used to know.